Kia India launched the Sonet back in 2020, the compact SUV was quick to disrupt the segment and set new benchmarks with its design, features and powertrain options. For this year, the Sonet gets a serious makeover that should help it continue that success story. What's new? Let's find out. Let's start with the design. Kia has ensured that the new Sonet looks wild yet sophisticated. It gets a completely new grille that retains the trademark tiger nose design and is complemented by new full LED headlamps, a fresh-looking DRL design and new bumpers. And if you want to take that look up a notch, Kia even offers additional accessories like the chrome treatment package, window visors and Kia branded door protectors. These updates are besides the new alloy wheel designs for the Sonet, and you have not one, not two, not three, but 4 new designs to choose from. Of course, the Sonet looks even better from the rear now, and that's thanks to the LED bar connecting the redesigned tail lamps. Overall, the long list of updates to the design have ensured that the Sonet is a striking looking SUV and one that's sure to make heads turn around wherever you go. Step inside and you'll find that the Sonet is equally modern and inviting. There's an abundance of premium soft touch materials besides a range of color schemes including beige, brown or all black options. In fact, multiple color options for the interior trim are a segment first, as the Sonet is the first SUV to offer this option to buyers. We also find the dual screen setup to offer a very premium and upmarket feel, besides which both screens, one housing the instrument cluster and the other housing the infotainment system, use high resolution, adding to their charm. Space management in the cabin is excellent too, as despite the Sonet being less than 4 meters long, space is never a challenge. The leatherette seats add to the Sonet's premium feel, and overall this is easily the classiest cabin you can get in the compact SUV segment today. But what sets the Sonet apart is its extensive feature list. You see, despite it being a compact SUV, it offers a host of features that even bigger or more expensive SUVs fail to offer. In fact, the list is so long that you'd be confused as to which one is your favorite. And the Kia Sonet was the first compact SUV to be equipped with an air purifier, and the 2024 Kia Sonet takes its game further with an advanced air filter that uses the UVC LED technology. And while we are on the subject, the Sonet also offers wireless charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. And this is besides the comfort offered by the ventilated front seats to keep you cool, and a power driver's seats and more. Another cool feature is that you can control all 4 windows of the car remotely using your Kia Connect app. And on the inside, voice commands let you do a lot with your Sonet simply by using your voice, and now you can give these commands in Hindi besides English. Watch this. Sunroof kholo. And there you have it. And no, we're still not done with the features, because the biggest update for the 2024 Sonet is the inclusion of Level 1 ADAS, which takes the safety quotient of the Sonet to the next level. As part of Level 1 ADAS, you get functions like front collision warning, front collision avoidance assist for pedestrian, cyclist and cars, leading vehicle departure alert, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, lane following assist, high beam assist and driver attention warning. And this is besides the inclusion of 6 airbags as standard across variants, which further helps in making the Sonet one of the safest SUVs around. The Sonet comes with a host of powertrain options, and you can choose from 2 petrol engines, a 1.2-litre naturally aspirated and a 1-litre turbocharged petrol engine, besides the 1.5-litre diesel engine. And the transmission options include a 5-speed manual, a 6-speed clutchless IMT, a 6-speed torque converter unit and a 7-speed DCT as well, which makes for a very interesting mix of engines and gearboxes. The 1-litre turbocharged petrol engine should be the enthusiast's choice given its performance. The engine puts out 120 PS and 172 Nm of torque, and the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox is quick to shift gears, even using the paddle shifters, which only adds to the joy of driving. In fact, thanks to the engine and gearbox combination, the Kia Sonet is one of the quickest accelerating SUVs in its segment, which is yet another feather in its hat. And then there's the Sonet's ride and handling, which makes sure your passengers are comfortable while you enjoy your time behind the wheel, given how well tuned the suspension is. The Sonet is extremely planted at highway speeds, and the suspension soaks up potholes and undulations very well. Barely see that, right? Which adds to the likable road manners of the Kia Sonet. Now, for a car that offers so much, you might think the Sonet would be an expensive SUV. But that's not the case, as prices begin from just Rs 7.99 lakhs ex-showroom. And that's besides how the Sonet is one of the most affordable SUVs to own given its ultra-low cost of ownership. That's the Kia advantage for you. The bottom line is that the Kia Sonet has always been one of the best compact SUVs out there, given that it's always been good-looking, feature-rich, comfortable and fun to drive. And now it is one of the most affordable SUVs in its segment to live with, given the low cost of service, maintenance and spares.